So by the end of this video, you guys are going to learn the absolute best swing trading strategy that I use to quit my 9 to 5 job and how you guys can do it too. So I hope you guys all enjoy it. If you do, hit that like button, subscribe. But if you guys want to learn more about trading, how to find stocks, our strategies, our entry points, our exits, our group chat, private live streams, quizzes, lectures, all that stuff, check out our school. It's called the Swing Trading Masterclass. And we have an awesome sale going on for 51% off. So click that link, code TRADER, one spot left. Code TRADER for 51% off. Use that code. It's one of the largest sales we've done. So guys, let's jump into this here. All right. So the first thing that I want to talk about here is the stock that we traded. The stock that we traded was Nvidia, ticker symbol NVDA. Now, the reason I absolutely love this is trends, right? Looking at this stock here, we all know Nvidia stock has seen amazing growth. It's gone from lows at like $10 all the way up to over $153. So obviously it has that very, very nice upward trend, which is very important. But also we notice the stock does have a lot of resistance in the zone from about 150 to about 140. So pretty much what we have here is heavy amounts of selling pressure and heavy amounts of buying pressure in this range. So right here, support, resistance. This brings me to my second thing on my checklist is support. So the first thing, upward trend. The second thing, support. So we can see it hits it several times, establishing good support here. So the next thing I look at is something called the RSI. The RSI stands for the Relative Strength Index. It tracks momentum. Now, right now, or at the time of purchase, the RSI was trading for about a 32. The last time it was trading for a 32 was back in here where we saw a nice little move from about 116 to about 130, which might not seem like much, but as a trader, if you make 3% guys per month, you're in the top 5%. So 3% per month, you're in the top 5% of traders. So 11%, yeah, that's a good move. Previous to that was back in here where we saw the stock go from about 130 to 150. So we have a stock on an upward trend. It sold off down to some level of support. It's undervalued on the RSI. What else do we look for? The next thing here that I did is I look at some sort of lower time frame, whether it's the 30 minutes, the hourly, or even in some cases, the 4-hourly chart here. But at the time here, the main reason that I loved it is looking at this hourly trend line. We can see it hits this point several times, establishing resistance, right? Hits it, sell off, hits it, sell off, hits it, sell off. So recently, this is why being prepared, I talk about it a lot on the channel, doing research, scanning for opportunities, setting those alerts. This is why, is because this stock popped up above this, above this trend line, classifying it now as a trend line breakout here. Our entry point was near and about around that 109 area. So let's go ahead and show you guys our entry point. So this is all the trades that we're in on. We're up right here this past month, about $2,400, which is really, really good. Now, Nvidia, right here, $1,177. One of the best moves we've seen, this past month, which is really, really good. So now here, you're probably wondering, well, Carter, where are you going to sell? Well, if we look close here, Nvidia stock does have this nice little trend line. So we're going to just keep our stop loss just below this trend. So if it dips down below that 116.11 mark, we're just going to capture profit, especially in the market conditions that we have going on right now, where it's very volatile. We have tariffs, we have unknown, we have the S&P selling off, NASDAQ selling off. So a stock like this, yes, we could see a lot of great moves out of it. But more importantly, we just got to capture profit. Given that we're up already over $1,100, I feel very, very confident selling or even thinning out the position. So maybe, if it starts getting more buying pressure up to like 120, then we'll go sell out half, right? For guaranteed profit. This stuff's super, super important. So guys, I hope you guys all enjoyed today's video. If you have any questions, feel free to ask. And the broker I use is Moomoo. So I'll put a link to them down below. They're awesome. And make sure you guys check them out because you guys can get up to 20 free stocks. So click that link, sign up, and check out our school, code TRADER, for 51% off. It's awesome. And I'll see you guys in there. And take care, guys.